Still sweating even with a fan on? In today's video, we're breaking down the best portable air conditioners that can instantly cool your room without the hassle of permanent installation. Whether you're dealing with a hot bedroom, apartment, or home office, we'll help you find the perfect portable AC for your needs, covering cooling power, noise level, energy efficiency, and value for money. Check the links in the description below to see the latest prices and deals on each portable air conditioner featured in this video. Staying cool during peak summer heat becomes effortless with a compact cooling solution designed for small to medium rooms. The Zafro 8000 BTU portable air conditioner delivers powerful and consistent cooling for spaces up to 350 square feet, making it ideal for bedrooms, apartments, and home offices. With an 8000 BTU output and a SEER rating of 5, it balances performance and energy efficiency. Built with a durable white housing, the unit features 4 versatile modes: cooling, fan, sleep, and dehumidifier, allowing customized comfort throughout the day and night. Its integrated dehumidifier can remove up to 90 pints of moisture, helping maintain a healthier indoor environment. Operating at just 52 decibels, it remains quiet enough for sleeping or working. Users appreciate the easy installation thanks to the included window sealing kit and exhaust hose. Customer feedback highlights effective cooling, intuitive controls, and strong value for the price, especially for compact living spaces. Cooling comfort doesn't always require a window or complex installation, especially in dry climates. The Coolech windowless air conditioner uses advanced evaporative cooling technology to deliver refreshing airflow while also functioning as a fan and humidifier. Designed for areas up to 250 square feet, it features a powerful 1,320 cubic feet per minute airflow and a large 2.4-gallon water tank for up to 20 hours of cooling. The lightweight plastic build includes a bladeless safety design, detachable components for easy cleaning, and 4 360-degree wheels for smooth mobility. With 4 modes, 3 fan speeds, and 70-degree oscillation, users can easily customize airflow. At only 65 watts, it's extremely energy efficient compared to traditional AC units. Customers praise its quiet 40-decibel operation, simple plug-and-play setup, and strong performance in dry environments. Many note it's best viewed as an evaporative cooler rather than a compressor-based AC, making it ideal for budget-conscious cooling. Large rooms demand serious cooling power paired with reliable performance. The Whynter portable air conditioner stands out with its award-winning dual-hose design and strong 14,000 BTU cooling capacity, suitable for rooms up to 500 square feet. With a high SEER rating of 7.69 and eco-friendly R32 refrigerant, it delivers efficient and environmentally conscious cooling. The robust build includes activated carbon and washable pre-filters to improve indoor air quality, while the built-in dehumidifier removes up to 71 pints of moisture per day. Operating at around 51 decibels on low speed, it balances power and noise control well. Full thermostatic control and multiple modes enhance everyday usability. Customer impressions highlight excellent cooling performance and dependable operation. While some users mention the unit's larger size, many feel the performance justifies it. Overall, it's considered a premium option for serious whole-room cooling needs. Personal cooling becomes far more flexible with a compact and multifunctional design. The Xamatts portable air conditioner combines a fan, humidifier, and evaporative cooling system into one lightweight unit weighing under 2 kilograms. Designed for desktops, bedside tables, and small rooms, it's powered by an energy-saving 35-watt motor. The plastic housing feels sturdy for its size and includes adjustable oscillation angles, 3 fan speeds, and 2 mist modes for precise airflow control. A 1,700 milliliter water tank supports up to 14 hours of misting, while automatic low-water protection ensures safe operation. Noise levels stay low at around 35 decibels, making it suitable for sleep and work environments. Customers often praise its portability, quiet performance, and consistent airflow. While it doesn't replace a full-size AC, users appreciate it as an effective personal cooling solution, especially during hot summer days or in smaller living spaces. Achieving whole-room airflow without heavy power consumption is easier with a versatile cooling system. The Nomey Evaporative air cooler is designed for rooms up to 300 square feet, offering a strong 429 cubic feet per minute airflow and wide 70-degree oscillation for even air distribution. Built from durable plastic with a floor-mounted form factor, it features 3 fan speeds, 4 operating modes, and a 1-gallon water tank capable of delivering up to 10 hours of cooling. Smart low-water alerts and automatic safety shutoffs add reliability and peace of mind. At only 60 watts, it remains highly energy efficient. Compared to traditional AC units. User feedback highlights its effectiveness during hot, dry weather, ease of mobility, and intuitive remote control. Many customers appreciate the refreshing mist and wide airflow coverage, noting it performs especially well in bedrooms and small living areas. Instant cooling without installation makes this unit a practical choice for flexible spaces. The Flowbreeze windowless portable air conditioner uses evaporative technology to function as an air cooler, fan, and humidifier in one sleek tower design. It features a 2-gallon water tank and internal turbo airflow system for fast, even cooling across areas up to 300 square feet. Factor: the solid plastic build includes 120-degree oscillation, adjustable vertical airflow, and a quiet 49 decibel operating level. With 3 modes, 3 speeds, and a 0 to 15-hour timer, it's easy to tailor comfort throughout the day. Energy usage remains low at just 65 watts, helping reduce electricity costs. Customers often praise its modern design, ease of use, and portability. Many users find it ideal for offices and bedrooms, appreciating its quiet operation and effective cooling when paired with ice packs. Comfort and efficiency come together in a compact cooling system built for everyday convenience. The Myicy windowless air conditioner integrates a fan, air cooler, and humidifier into a single tower-style unit designed for rooms up to 300 square feet. Powered by a 60-watt motor, it offers strong airflow while keeping energy consumption low. Constructed from durable ABS material, it features dual detachable water tanks, a 14-inch air outlet, and 90-degree oscillation for wide coverage. Noise levels drop as low as 30 decibels, making it ideal for bedrooms and nighttime use. The smart timer, remote control, and easy top refill design add user-friendly convenience. Customers frequently highlight its ultra-quiet performance, portability, and hassle-free setup. Many appreciate the windowless, hose-free design, especially renters. Overall, it's viewed as a reliable, budget-friendly solution for quiet, localized cooling in dry climates. And that wraps up our list of the best portable air conditioners you can buy right now. If this video helped you find the right cooling solution for your space, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. All product links are in the description below if you want to check today's prices or learn more. Thanks for watching, stay cool, and we'll see you in the next one.